Let's walk through the late payment interest calculator. It works out the interest you can charge, or owe, on an overdue payment, based on the amount, the rate that applies, and how many days it is late. First, the amount owed, the value that is overdue. Let's enter €1,000. Next, the annual interest rate. You can pick the type of debt to set it automatically. Civil debts use the legal rate of 4%, while commercial debts between businesses use a higher rate. We will keep the civil rate of 4%. Then, how many days the payment is late? Let's use 90 days. Instantly, the calculator shows the late payment interest, €9.86 on €1,000 over 90 days, and the total to pay, €1,009.86. The breakdown below shows exactly how it adds up: the amount owed, the interest for each day late, and the interest over the full 90 days. This interest is simple, so it never compounds. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.